The purpose of the following video is to answer one very simple question. How important is a good HOTAS for DCS?
Groups are marked with green smoke. Waypoint 2 labels supply as the target location.
2. Contact air defense target, 10 o'clock, port 8. 2. Contact air defense target, 8 o'clock, port 3.
Pull up. Altitude.
Nice job taking out those trucks. The next target is Insurgent Patrol, 2 trucks and infantry. At waypoint 3, labeled Patrol. The target is marked with red smoke. Take it out.
Mud spike, 2 o'clock.
Pull up. Altitude.
Good job with that patrol. Let's now try dropping a bridge. Drop the bridge at waypoint 4, labeled Bridge. There are a couple AAA units defending it.
Engage air defenses. 2. Copy. 2. Engaging air defenses. 2. Running in. 2. Missile away. 2. Missile away. 2. Missile away. 2. Ladders on target. 2. Ladders on target.
With the bridge destroyed, let's head southeast waypoint 5
target
for
destroyed.
the tanks.
Pull up. Pull up. Pull up. Pull up.
So, as you have just seen, a very good HOTAS will result in a much better performance over something very simple, such as, let's say, a Logitech 3D Pro. However, by no means am I saying that a Thrustmaster Warthog is your only option here. This video is really meant to stress the fact that anybody with a decent or really good HOTAS is going to be able to accomplish a whole lot more than someone who only has maybe 4 buttons on their joystick. There is quite a bit of choice out there for you to get yourself a stick. Beginners should always start small and build your way up, because simming is an expensive hobby if you really plan on doing this for a long time. But for a beginner's choice, you can always start simple and work your way up. I, for example, had the simple joysticks when I first started, and I enjoyed the heck out of DCS. But it wasn't until I got a good HOTAS that I really started to enjoy it more. And that's really what I'm stressing here. You can play these games with much simpler equipment and you will still have a lot of fun, and only once you realize that you want to do this a lot more should you consider going for the more expensive stuff, and you will hopefully and probably get more fun out of the game. 3, 2, 1. Oh. It's not plugged in. I was like, something looks weird. Jesus Christ, man. Get it together. This is like, what, take 322? Great! No, this is just peachy.